beautiful, 'cause I'm okay. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Have an amazing night.